Hey everybody, it's day 5 of my quest for a turkey with my bow. Actually, it's day 4 for me hunting. The one day I was out with Ken, so didn't take my bow. Anyways, welcome, it's Uncle Bucky, and I'm doing the pre-interview out here in the car because I've got to go out and set up a new blind and get out early and make some noise, so not sure time-wise how we're running. It's a brisk 44 degrees today. Got a full moon. I'm going to show you the moon in a minute here. It's a really wild moon. I know I look a little tired, but, you know, it's only 4:45 in the morning, and I'm already out here. So, anyways, going to get out. All you can do is get out and try, guys. So, let me show you this moon here in a second. Okay, hold on. There we go. Cool moon. So, hopefully that's my good luck full moon there. Looks like a harvest moon, but we're going to get ready, get out, get the blind set up, and be back in here about 45 minutes. Pretty neat, huh, guys? Boy, this was a youth deer hunt. That thing would have been slam-a-jam at about, you could have put about 20 rounds in that thing. It got to be about 22 yards away. don't know if I got him, guys. I hit him. He flew up and went right down. I think he's hurt. I'm gonna give him a little time. That's not the shot I wanted to take. He came in. I don't know what he did. He would not come up that dang hill. He strutted down there at maybe 25 yards. If I had a shotgun, I would have lambasted him. Boy, this is a difference with a bow. I shot out this little window. That would have been a dead turkey. That had a nice looking tom. Well, I just went down and looked. I looked all down there. No sign of it. I just got short feathers. Probably down through the underside, I think what happened. Well, here's my turkey. Oh, guys, I'll tell you what. I'm heading home. Enough for today. Uncle. Went down there with the yardage finder. It was 38 yards. I thought it was about 33, 35. It happens. It's hunting. I didn't miss, actually. I did hit it, but you know, that turkeys have a kill zone the size of a baseball, and I told myself 40 yards is my max on one. I've been practicing out to 60 on them and doing pretty good, but I wouldn't take that shot. But 35 yards, it got a little closer there. I'll tell you what happened was, that really isn't where I expected them to come right up through here and get a shot out this window here. Well, I had to get out the little window and videotape out it, and I've got trees down there all up in the way. I'm gonna go whack the one. Every time he went into full strut, you saw it on a video camera because I had the camera over about another foot, pointing out this little window. I couldn't shoot that. I was worried I'd hit that tree coming down. Every time he gave me a broadside shot. Well, I know Terry's going to get on me about not bringing the gun, but you know, I really enjoy trying to get these with a bow. That's a challenge this year. Who knows, maybe I'll say uncle and I'll try it. But I went and looked twice down there. Looked at the video footage and saw exactly where he flew down. I'll be honest, when I shot, I knew I hit him. I heard it thump him. He flew up and down. I thought I hit him right in that area, right in between the shoulders and the wings, I mean. And I thought I drilled him. Oh well, guys. There's a tear in my beer 'cause I miss my turkey. Oh, I'm so lonesome I could cry. That's enough singing. I'm going to come back tomorrow, so guys, gals, thanks for watching. Take care, be safe, and most of all, have fun.